Hey everyone! If you're in the business of selling land, you know it's a whole different ballgame compared to residential or commercial real estate. Today, I'm going to share some top strategies to market your land listings effectively, ensuring you attract the right buyers and close deals faster. Let's dive in. First up, understand the unique selling proposition of your land. What makes it stand out? Is it the location, the size, the zoning possibilities? Pinpoint these features because they're your main selling points. Next, high-quality visuals are crucial. Since there's no physical structure to show, your photos and videos need to capture the land's potential. Consider using drone photography to provide an aerial view, which can significantly enhance the appeal of your listing. Showcasing the topography and the surrounding area gives buyers a better sense of the space. Now let's talk about online marketing. Utilize platforms specifically tailored for selling land, such as LandWatch or Land and Farm. These sites attract an audience specifically looking for land, increasing your chances of finding interested buyers. Social media can also be a powerful tool. Regular posts featuring your listings, engaging content about land investment, and even live Q&A sessions can help keep your audience engaged and interested. Don't forget the power of local networking. Connect with local builders, architects, and developers who might be interested in new projects. Attend community meetings and real estate events to spread the word about your land listings. Lastly, consider offering detailed information packets. Potential buyers often need help visualizing what can be done with the land. Include zoning information, maps, potential uses, and even proposed development plans to help buyers see the potential. By following these strategies, you'll not only market your land listings effectively, but also build a strong reputation as a go-to agent for land sales. Remember, it's all about showcasing the potential and making sure the right eyes see it. Good luck out there and happy selling!